guys, it's me, Jessica DeLeon, and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing the Converse Runstar Hikes in white. I have done a previous video where I unboxed the Converse Runstar Hike Blacks. So I had wanted these shoes for quite some time, and the reason I didn't get them is because if you have seen my other video where I unboxed the Converse high top platforms that are more like the Chuck Taylor style, that is why I held off getting the Converse Runstar Hike in white, because I felt like, well, they're both platforms, but they're a little bit different styling, and do I really need to kind of the same type of shoe? The answer is yes, of course. I'm going to be unboxing the Converse Runstar Hikes today for you guys. If you're interested in seeing and knowing more about this shoe, then keep on watching. Okay, so pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you the box. Excuse the box, it's super beat up because we moved and this box was in the move. It got kind of tore up. And I say this because I want you guys to know that this is not the way that the company sent me the box, okay? So here is the box, guys. Just your standard Converse shoe box. Nothing fancy, as you can see. I told you it was a little toe up from the move. And there's the side where it just has all the details about the shoe right there. And then on top, it just has your Converse logo. Inside, nothing too fancy. Just the paper where the shoes are wrapped up. Converse really got it right with this style. I just love that lug hiker boot style sole. There's the bottom. And I love that it is a really bright white. It's not too much of an off-white or yellow white. Obviously, you can see the contrast of the sole to the upper canvas. It is slightly more yellowy than the sole, but I still think it's a really, really good bright white. Here's the inside of the shoe. Made in Vietnam. Here are both shoes together. I really like that they put this black line between the sole and the upper to give it that kind of distinction. They do have a colorway on this that is completely white. And I was considering those, but I really just like that contrast. They're a fabulous looking shoe. They're just as good looking as the black version. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try these on. I will leave details of the shoe here on the screen, how much they weigh, how much they cost, the heel height, how big the platform is, how thick it is right here. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for the unboxing of the shoe. All right, so it's time to show you guys what these look like on my feet. Okay guys, so you just got done seeing what they look like on my feet. Super cute and loving them. Can't wait to wear these for the summer. These are just going to be the cherry on top for my outfits that I'm going to wear with them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Love y'all.